Today I would like to talk about AI in education. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any experience using AI when doing assignments? Recently, there was controversy over giving 0 point to students who used ChatGPT on assignment at a university in Texas. In addition, in Korea, the government has also decided to introduce AI digital textbook in elementary, middle, and high school starting next year, but the pros and cons regarding this are growing. AI, artificial intelligence, refers to technology that realizes human learning ability, reasoning ability, perception ability, and natural language understanding ability through a computer program. According to published articles, 60% of educators use AI in their classroom. Especially younger teachers are more likely to adopt these tools. Not only educators, but also learners widely use AI in learning. In recent survey from the Digital Education Council, 86% of students already use AI in their studies, and they are using it regularly. 24% reported using AI daily. Rapid development of AI influence on education has positive effects such as customized learning system, improved accessibility, and efficient learning management. But it also has negative effects such as bias, increased costs, and lack of personalized feedback.
Touch the gray and then scroll up. 올라가죠. Because I cannot see the line. 이거 터치하면 진짜 올라가. 손으로. 예. 굿.
Hello everyone. At this point, I'd like to talk about the drawbacks of AI in education. What do you think about using AI in educational areas, such as ChatGPT or Gemini? Is it just a blessing to mankind? No, I don't agree with that. So let me talk about the negative effects of using AI in our education. There are some drawbacks like AI bias and increase of expenses and lack of the meaningful feedback to students. So let me tell you about the bias problem. Would you shortly look at this graph? This graph means the degree of AI bias is much higher than human biases. What is bias? AI bias means, do you know AI is learning through the data sets called algorithms, and algorithms is learning that is called deep learning and is learning from the accumulated databases, and if the databases contains prejudiced information, the AI system deepens the prejudice. And if these data sets are trained machine learning algorithms, and algorithms are non-neutral if they are weighing people, race, or events, something like that. So we can have the biased information. And another defects of the AI technology is higher expenses. Let me show you the graph of the cost of AI models. And this, do you see the high difference of, it's a significant difference of the top and the bottom. This means AI in education can be very expensive like this, and some of the students or schools cannot access to quality education because not every schools or educational institutions have the dedicated budget for AI technologies or AI tools. So it can make the divide in educational area. And the third defect is feedback deficiency. At this point, I like to cite Patricia Taylor's works. She's an associate professor of Southern California University, and she says that AI devices has more problems if students want to get a meaningful feedback and on their work. She also says the AI couldn't distinguish a student who was really trying but failing to find an appropriate answer from a student who was really not thinking at all on his work. So she says it's totally incapable of discerning people or their effort to trying to find the problem's answer. So AI is incapable of giving feedback on people, and it's gonna finally undermine education. Now this is the wrap-up time. I think the AI technologies in education have more negative acts than that of the positive effects. So we all beware of using AI in our education. Thank you very much.
Next, I will present the positive impact of AI on the education industry. AI will enable students to facilitate the personalized learning system, improve accessibility and efficient learning management. First, AI can further personalize learning in digital environment. In the research conducted by Panopto, learn students' perception of AI in education. Students rank the following AI powered by learning tools as helpful. Interaction keys. Interaction keys are chosen by the most students at 44%, followed by flashcard generators at 37%. The least chosen was AI generator content insight at 70%. The future of personalized learning with AI looks bright. It can facilitate individual-student interaction and guide personal learning plans in a digital learning in the environment. Second, AI leads to change so that people who have difficult accessing education can access information and service. For example, Microsoft's Copilot is based on Azure AI and designed as an assistive device for everyone. It can read out a summary of documents or reading for the blind. Also, AI improves online images with no image decryption, such as Google Lookout on Chrome. With the development of AI technology, personalized accessibility solution and ethical AI development are important, and these projects are sensitive to enrich the lives of disabled people. Finally, learning institution is simple ways to store and work on individual data. The ability to quickly access person information, academic progress, report, and task is critical to a successful education. According to survey by Spring X, the number of LMS users in 2024 user reportedly reached 73.8 million this year, and this figure is sharply increased. Using AI-powered LMS one-on-one learning support is possible. Students are guided on problem-solving concept and subject without waiting for instructors. In addition, artificial intelligence algorithms evaluate essay, response, and test written in seconds. AI-driven LMS is not only practical for participating students and organizations, but it also demonstrates the potential of affordable and simplified education. In conclusion, AI has created a better learning space through personalized learning provision, improved accessibility, and efficient learning management in education system.
As AI develops rapidly, it is also frequently used in the field of education. AI has the potential to greatly enhance the quality of education by enabling personalized learning and increasing accessibility. However, challenges such as data bias, increased costs, and educational inequality remind us that the responsible use of AI is essential. Therefore, ethical considerations and technical approaches are needed to improve these problems. This data describes personalized learning. One of the positive effects of the AI education field. This graph is a comparison of how more effective AI-based personalized learning is compared to traditional approaches.
through 4 metrics: learning style identification, accuracy. Indicator shows that AI is 85% compared to 40% of traditional method, which more accurately understands learner styles to increase learning efficiency. AI also performed better than traditional method on other metrics. The following is the one-off negative effects of AI education, which is the increase in cost. This chart shows the trends of training costs for major AI models announced from 2016 to 2023. The x-axis is the year of model announcement, and the y-axis is the training cost. Initially, the training cost is relatively low at around $1,000 million and $10 million. However, as time passed, the AI models greatly improved, and the training cost also increased drastically. The 2023 models are estimated to have a training cost of over $100 million. This pie chart represents an analysis of how important educators think it is to teach students about AI. According to a survey, only 7 and 6% educators thought education on the use of AI is not important. AI technology is changing the way we approach education. We need to develop AI literacy skills and understand how to use AI tools responsibly. In addition, these tools should not be overly dependent on AI, knowing that they are intended to augment, not replace, human intelligence. Thank you for listening to this presentation.